new to the channel, this was my 93 Nissan 240SX convertible that was stolen. The car was spray painted black by a crackhead and the top was destroyed. It wouldn't close. I decided to take the drivetrain out and put it in this 89 coupe shell I picked up with my fiance. Sounds awesome, right? Well, Granddad moved. I really didn't have anywhere to store it, so it sat abandoned in a field for about a year. Today we're going to sell the unfinished project to buy a running car in Georgia. Just got her all loaded up. Nana's where I left her for the last few months. Ready to go. New project car. Another black 240SX, of course. But this one got a stick. Alright, so right now we're headed to Orlando. I gotta go pick up some parts off of the stolen convertible. Mainly that taillight socket tray, maybe some trunk levers, small little stuff, but I need the taillight socket tray so I can legally drive without getting pulled over. Look at this GTST. Here lies the fate of the old stolen vert. But it's all good because we're going to get more parts. We're getting taillights. We're getting rear quarter panel. And we got a bunch of small stuff that we can pretty much do with our YouTube Snap Magic. Like this heat shield right here. Get this stuff there. Problems with this trunk right here, it doesn't really want to stay open. It'll just fall on its own. But I think to solve that, this right here is my biggest concern with the car, so we're gonna do some snap magic. Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna work for that one either. So I had a couple things that I already started repairing. I had to change out this upper radiator hose because it was cut short right here. They took off the fan shroud and moved everything forward, and so the fan was hitting really bad. This radiator was leaking. I had to JB weld it. For now I'm gonna get a coil rad on there. And I actually had this really bad leak from behind the timing cover back here, and at first it looked like somebody had JB welded the block, but I don't really think that that's the case anymore. I think this may be a S14 head. Well, that's what somebody on Reddit said. I'm not really 100% sure, but I'll post a picture of what it looked like above here. This breather hose right here was all choppy and whatnot. I didn't put this on there, but I just decided to cap it off with this I bought for a whopping $7. It looks like the previous owner had bypassed this heater core right here, and they left it like this. It was leaking, so I just moved this clamp over and tightened it, and it seems to be working for now, but I do want to fix the heater core, plug it back up just to make sure. If it does run, I kind of would like that. And now that I'm looking at this motor, look what I found. What is that down there? You know what that looks like to me? Looks like the washers that go to the exhaust manifold right here. So I'm not really sure how long this car sat, but it's got this green tint of algae on it. Looks really bad. We're gonna wash this bad boy. We got her all lathered up. There we go. She looks 10 times better. Another thing you may have noticed, there's no back window on it, but that's fine. I'm not too worried about it. I'm gonna get it fixed, but I'm not gonna do it myself. Here she is. I found this place by my house. Looks pretty nice. They make custom t-shirts here. But this may be the last video that I put in here. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. We're gonna get rims, coilovers, turbo, undergo, all kinds of cool stuff for this car. So if you like this stuff, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.